Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a PlayStation gift card promo code that helped me save a significant amount of money on my PlayStation Store purchase, completely free. If you're looking for PlayStation promo codes, PSN gift card discounts, or ways to save money on games, make sure you watch this video until the end. How do you get the PlayStation gift card promo code? It's very simple and works on both iPhone and Android devices. First, grab your mobile phone. It doesn't matter whether you're using iOS or Android. Next, go to the website linked in the comments section below. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type PSN. Tap on the PlayStation Network result, then scroll down until you see the available PlayStation gift card promo codes. Click the Show Coupon button to reveal your code. Please note, these promo codes are limited and in high demand. To make sure no one else uses your code, you'll need to unlock your personal promo code before redeeming it. If you want step-by-step instructions and direct access, check the pinned comment below. I explain exactly where and how to get your PlayStation gift card promo code so you can start saving right away.